What's up guys, Michael here. In this video I want to share with you why in my opinion Kindle Paperwhite 11th Gen is the best ebook reader ever and why I'd recommend it as the best choice for you. Let's get started. The new Kindle Paperwhite retains many familiar features from the previous generation, including touchscreen, ease of navigation, storage capacity, waterproof design, and audiobook playback via Audible subscription and Bluetooth headphones. On top of that, 11th generation of Kindle Paperwhite brings even more cool features that are very useful and make it a fantastic choice for the user. Let's start with the display. It is simply flawless, just like a printed book. Even under a magnifying glass, the font looks good and small font display is outstanding. Pinching to zoom in or out for font size is very responsive. The backlight is very even and makes reading in the dark a joy, and it's so easy on the eyes. It also packs a bigger screen, 6.8 inches, which allows you to have more text on the page, which is always a plus. Backlight and warm light is really handy. You can alter the warmth setting at any time or create a schedule to alter it automatically for you. Note worth mentioning, this device is a little bit bigger overall than the older versions, so you will need to get a new case if upgrading. I've posted a couple of Amazon links to my favorite cases for this model, so you can check them out. Links are in the description. Let's talk about performance. The speed improvement of this device is one of the features I've been looking forward to. Don't get me wrong, the previous gens aren't bad, but 11th Gen is pure joy. Searches appeal like magic. Switching in the library between all and downloaded folder no longer makes you think the device has frozen. Pressing the home key works without any wait time. Opening a book is less than a second, it's pretty much instant. Another big step up is the USB Type-C. Absolutely right decision to go with, as charging is much faster than my older versions, and I'm very happy I can get rid of most of my micro USB cables. Ease of setup makes the overall experience so flawless. I've had it pre-registered to my account, so the initial process took me just few minutes. What is also really cool is, due to Amazon account storing securely your Wi-Fi password details, when the device switched on, it immediately connected to my home Wi-Fi without me having to select our router and enter the login password. So if you're new to Kindle world, you don't have to worry about the initial setup. It's really super simple. Also worth mentioning are two small features that increase the comfort of usage. One of them allows you to have your last book's cover on the home screen. This is quite handy, as due to the large amount of books I read, I often forget what the title of the book is. The other one is the page turn animation, which makes the page turn so realistic. Both of these features require latest update and need to be enabled in settings. The last thing to mention is Kindle Unlimited. Kindle Unlimited is a service that allows you to read as much as you want, choosing from over 1 million titles and thousands of audiobooks. Freely explore new authors, books and genres, from mysteries and romance to sci-fi and more. Now, normally this service is available for £8 a month in UK or $10 a month in US. However, when purchasing your Kindle, you get a free trial, which gives you 1 credit per month. 1 credit buys you any audiobook, no matter what the price is. You will also have an access to free Kindle books with no credit needed. If you already have a Kindle or missed on that initial trial, I'd like to share a link that will get you a 30-day free trial for Kindle Unlimited. You can always cancel it on the 29th day and won't get charged, but you will have plenty of time to explore new titles and see what's available. I think it's a great deal, so if you're interested, head to the description or the link banner in the top right. We'll be wrapping things up here, guys. Overall, I'm very impressed and very happy sticking with Kindle Paperwhite, and I believe once you purchase this one, it will last you for a really long time. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, please leave a comment on what are your thoughts on Kindle Paperwhite, or what content you'd like to see me prepare for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.